All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 4 mini winners for the higher end winner's choice number 7. This is the mini. So we'll check the time, November 29th at 5:27 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have November 29th at 5:27 p.m. There is the list of our 34 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 4 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Looking for the top 4. It is Hank, Scott, Zach, and Steve. So Hank, you will have first pick of, I believe it was 8. Yep, 8 spots. Second was 4. So Scott for 4. I think it was Zach for 3, Steve for 2, something like that. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 29th, 5:28 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.